Welcome to this video, the AI-powered discussion tool that can help you generate income from the comfort of your own home. In this video, we'll be exploring 3 beginner-friendly business models that leverage ChatGPT's vast knowledge and free software to help you start making money online today. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned entrepreneur, you'll find valuable insights and practical tips that you can use to start generating income with ChatGPT. So, grab a pen and paper, sit back, and get ready to learn how you can turn ChatGPT into an automated cash cow machine that can help you make money online. So let's get started. It is important to note that when a new business opportunity arises that does not require any financial input, there is usually a catch. Many people are drawn to such opportunities, making it challenging to stand out and be successful. As the saying goes, what the wise do at the beginning, fools do at the end. Currently, few people are talking about this particular AI business model, probably because I have previously created similar businesses and thought of this one before others. Nonetheless, as more competition enters the market, this opportunity will disappear. To use any of the 3 business models, you will need a ChatGPT account. Simply Google OpenAI and click on Introduce. Then you can try ChatGPT and create an account within seconds. With ChatGPT, the first way to make money online involves combining Amazon affiliate marketing and Mediavine display network advertising. You will require a website for this model, but don't be intimidated. It is straightforward to create one. I will show you the easiest way to do it in the third model. Now I can ask ChatGPT to provide me with the top 10 exercises sold on Amazon and request an article on the 10 online exercises. I can then use Shopify to publish the article, though there are better options available, as I will demonstrate in the third model. Once you have an Amazon affiliate account, you can earn commissions on products sold through your website. Copying a link of a product and sharing it with others can earn you a commission if they purchase the product. However, what happens if people visit your website but do not click on anything or buy anything? In that case, you can add Mediavine display ads to earn money. These ads can generate revenue even if people do not purchase anything. You can use Mediavine, Ezoic, Thrive, or Google AdSense to display ads on your website. The second ChatGPT business model involves leveraging the tool's data to find profitable niches and products to sell. Using ChatGPT, you can quickly identify the best-selling products and niches on eBay and Amazon. Next, you can use Zik Analytics to conduct product research and determine which products are in high demand and have a high sell-through rate. Alibaba, AliExpress, and CJ Dropshipping are some of the platforms where you can find and source the products to sell. The third and final ChatGPT business model is ClickBank affiliate marketing, where you can earn commissions by promoting products on TikTok. To get started, sign up for a ClickBank account and look for high-converting offers with a high-gravity score. Once you find a product to promote, use ChatGPT to write a free ebook and offer it on TikTok to collect email addresses. Then you can promote the product to the subscribers on your email list. I have created 6 chapters for an ebook titled That's Your Dream: How It Can Be One of Your Dreams Using ChatGPT. The formatting is not final, the content is there. I have also designed a cover for the book using Canva.com. Next, I created a landing page using Weber, which is a free website builder that is perfect for this type of business. The landing page includes the ebook cover and persuasive copywriting to entice visitors to sign up and receive the ebook. Once they have signed up, we will follow up with email sequences that promote ClickBank offers related to the same topic. This is a proven business model used by companies such as Morning Brew, The Hustle, and The Mill Road. Generating content, driving traffic, and promoting other people's products can lead to a scalable business idea that can earn you millions of dollars every month, just like Morning Brew, The Hustle, and The Mill Road. The best part is you don't need to create your own product. With free online tools and a little bit of time, you can make a lot of money with AI ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful and informative, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know about our latest videos and updates. Also, don't forget to hit the like button to show your support for our channel and help us reach more people who could benefit from this information. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.